Okay, now it's your turn. Here are 4 examples sitting on the screen. What I want you to do is I want you to pause the video in just a second, write all 4 questions, make sure you give enough space here. I may not have on the screen, but give enough space here so that you can work the problem. Work all 4 of them, and then hit play on the video and I'll work them for you. So go ahead and pause your video. We'll come back in a minute and work it together. Alright, let's see how you did. If you go to work the first problem, letters on the left, okay, so that stays there, numbers on the right, that means I've got to move that number over there, -4, so I've got to do that on both sides. That's gone. 4 equals 2x, and I've got to get rid of the 2, so I'm going to have to divide by 2. X equals 2 should be the right answer. Let's check work real quick, put that answer in. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 4 more is 8. That's got to be the answer. Working this one, I've got 2 of them that have x, so I'm going to deal with them in a minute. Let's go ahead and move this number to the other side. So I have to do the opposite, plus 2. So this becomes 10. That's gone. 3x and 2x is 5x. And again, I have to divide by 5 to get rid of the number that's there. It was multiplying, now I divide. Whatever I do on one side, I do on the other. So 10 divided by 5, and this one also is 2. Wow, they look so different, but they get the same answer. Let's see if this could be right. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10 minus 2. That's a minus sign, I'm sorry. Is 8. Yeah, that works right. That's got to be the answer. Very good. Hopefully you got that one. This one doesn't look as hard. Oh, look, it's so close. Should they have the same answer? I bet they don't. I have to add 4 to the opposite to move this to this side. 8 and 4 is 12. 2x. Have to divide by the 2 to get rid of the 2. Do it on both sides. Have to be balanced at all times. 12 divided by 2 is 6. X equals 6. Check my work. 6 times 2 is 12. Minus 4 is 8. That's going to be the right answer. Very good. Oh, this one's tricky. This one has x, this one has x, this one has x, this one has y. Very important thing to teach you. Doesn't matter what letter it is. Doesn't always have to be x. You'll see sometimes they'll have a Q or an R or an L or some other letter. It's still unknown. You don't know what it is. You still do the same procedure. I've got to move this number over here, so I'm going to add 5. So if I add 5, that's gone, because 5 minus 5 is 0. 15 plus 5 is 20. 5y is 20. I still have to divide by 5. The procedures are all the same. Divide by 5. Y equals 20 divided by 5 is 4. Check my work. Put that number in for y. 5 times 4 is 20. Minus 5 is 15. I've got it. This has got to be the answer. If you got all 4 of these, you're right on it. We're going to practice some more skills in the coming videos. Good luck.